Hello and welcome to the first study time video of 2018. It's a new year, new you, but old you's exam results. So first of all, sorry for your losses because they come out today. And as always, we've got you. Exams are like the academic version of a World Cup, just with less cardio. And like all great athletes, you need to have a strategy. And strategy does not end here. A lot of the time, we're let down not by a lack of exam knowledge, but by a lack of exam strategy. So now is the time we replay the fight frame by frame, look at where we gave unfamiliar texts a good jab, but where we also got KO'd by integration and differentiation. And continuing on with reframing our perspective, it's important to not beat ourselves up too much. Research tells us that it's not effective to focus on the things that we can't control. I mean, we're all guilty of having a bit of a rant about how much NCEA sucks and how last year's exams were harder than the past papers of the previous year and all that, but we can't control that. What we can control is our perspective. There will always be good and bad results, and they'll differ for everyone. But it's important to realize that disappointing results are actually not often indicative of a lack of knowledge or effort, but as I said before, strategy. Personally, I've been disappointed with the results that were actually pretty good, and my proudest exam mark was actually an achieved because I thought I was about to fail level 2 accounting. So how do we strategize for this coming year? It's important to look at your results, I know it can be hard, and ask yourself a few questions about your answers, the exam prep, and the successes you did have. So answers, and for this we do want to be looking at your exam script. Ask yourself, did you write your answers in a way that the examiners wanted? Did you go deep enough into the subject and the concept? And 3, did you manage your time well? Exam prep, did you do enough past papers? Did you have an effective study plan? Did you have a study plan at all? And did you continuously assess your progress as you were studying? Successes, you will have them, so celebrate them and ask yourself, what progress was I making and how did I do that? And then do it again. If you're level 1 or level 2, it's important to do this reflection because you will be doing exams this year again. If you're level 3 last year, first of all, congratulations, but it's pretty hard to escape exams, especially if you're going to uni because there's more of them and they still suck. So that's it for the first study time video of 2018. If you have checked your exam results, take the wins and the L's. And if you haven't, probably go check them now. So yeah, tune in for the live stream at 11 today, and yeah, peace. That was a weird wink I just gave at the end. That's probably not appropriate.